kitty cat.
That's your kitty cat. That's Ella's new pet.
Easy. Be nice. Gentle.
Now we're... Sure. Pull him out. Here, kitty.
Easy, baby girl.
Gentle.
Easy. Real
Gentle.
easy. Hold on,
Gentle.
baby girl. She's scared. She's a little scared. She's not used to us yet. She's sleepy. She's licking herself. She's cleaning.
He clean.
That's your new kitty. Easy, baby girl.
He's gonna live here.
She's gonna be with us forever. That's your new pet.
What's her name? What are you gonna name her? How about Fish Stick?
What are you doing?